your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We've got Mike back in here with us today. And as you can tell, Mike is a weightlifter. He's working out, what, 4 or 5 times a week?
About 4.
Yep. Okay, so we're going to check his posture. He's been doing a lot better since he's been under care. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me then, Mike. And then neutral. See, he's got a little bit of limited extension. Now neutral. Yep. His head's a little forward and to the right on the x-axis, and on the z-axis forward, right on the x-axis. Pelvis is a little bit left on the x-axis. So he's got a little bit of a curve right through his mid-thoracic and lower thoracic spine as a result of that. Your head's just a little to the right. Do you see that, Mike?
Yep.
Guess what that's from?
Surely not. Surely
Carrying
not.
that bag. Okay, let's get you on here and do the ring dinger of the day for you. It's gonna be our first video in the last 2 days. We've been so busy we haven't even had time to shoot one. Let's slide down this way just a little bit. There we go. Good. In there. Good. So this is the way people should sleep, by the way, is on their back with their legs elevated. So if you were to go home and lay in front of your couch and put your legs up on the couch and legs parallel with the floor, that's how you should be sleeping, with no pillow under your head. You don't have to have the pins in the side there like I'm doing with this. But take a deep breath in, Mike, and just relax. Oh yeah, boy, home run. I know you felt that all the way down.
Oh yeah.
That's why we call it ring dinger. It's really a manual spinal decompression adjustment. There we go, cervical spine. Boy, oh boy, you're being cooperative today. Good job. I can guarantee you that one will set you free.
Gotta do something.
Is it cooling off out there yet?
It is. Actually, today was a beautiful day.
Yeah. Okay, let's come over here on your tummy. There we go.
The average is dropping.
Yeah. Well, it's been a busy day.
Yeah.
I had a lot of quick shots. Right leg's about 1/4 of an inch short down here. Now when I bring his legs up, they actually get even. I bet you that tightens up a little bit in your low back and pelvis.
Yep. On the left.
Yep. So we're gonna adjust his sacroiliac joints first. Now his right leg was short, so I'm gonna adjust his right SI first. There we go. Good, and that moved good. And then the left one. And then I'm adjusting the sacrum, which is the middle triangular shaped bone, straight superior to inferior on the Z axis and the Y axis. L5, straight P to A on the Z axis. There's 3 axes, the X, Y, and Z axes, Cartesian coordinate system. That's what analysis and BioPhysics correction is based on. Good. There we go. Good. I still got one more right there. There, okay. Alright. Now your legs should be even, which they are. And tell me how this feels versus the last time.
Definitely better.
Okay, good. You're going to feel your head popping up a little bit here on this next one. This one I'm helping put the cervical lordosis back into a forward lordosis. Okay, let's go down this way a tiny bit. There you go. There we go. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Oh, man. See, I got to do those exercises all through the day myself. I'm bending over adjusting you guys all the time. There we go. Now with this adjustment, I contact the zygomatic process, and I'm actually pulling his head up and back over his shoulders. So slide down just about an inch right there, and put your arms out to the sides. Now I'm adjusting his AC joints bilaterally, his costosternal joints, and his costosternal joint and the sternoclavicular joint, man. These are the AC joints. That's sternoclavicular. Sternoclavicular. And this is ostosternal. Bilaterally. Those move good today. There it is. Okay. Yeah. Just relax this in my hand here. There you go. Good. One more. There we go. Better. Should have felt that one in your knee and your back. Let's face Joseph this way. There we go. Okay. Ooh, got a little kink in this right shoulder today. Is that a little sore still?
Oh yeah.
Now Mike's injured this right shoulder before, but we're still adjusting it in the glenohumeral joint there to keep it from degenerating and creating a frozen shoulder. We want to keep it moving. There we go. Okay, let's get your elbows in your wrist. You almost stand you up, shoot you. There we go. We had a big shooting here in Houston yesterday.
I heard about it on the news.
Some crazy
Southwest
Nazi
side?
attorney. Yeah.
Yeah, well, attorneys
Yeah.
always got a screw loose anyway.
Yeah. Let's take a look in the mirror here. Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again. Better range of motion that time. Yep, see you're more centered now. Not as far right. But these guys way back here. Now I'm going to bring your head back and a little bit left of center. You're going to look up at the ceiling. You're going to feel a little tap right there. Shift your pelvis straight to the right. There. You guys keep asking me what I'm doing with this instrument. I'm adjusting the atlas on the x-axis, which sends neurological proprioceptive information into the cerebellum, which helps his hindbrain or the cerebellum start remembering this biomechanical position and posture. Let's flex you forward and backwards again. This should feel smoother. Cerebellum is responsible for balance, posture, coordination, and all kinesthetic movement in the body. Yes, sir? You're right down the middle everywhere.
Yep. Feels better too.
So this is your 8th visit overall, Mike.
Mm-hmm.
So what could you tell our YouTube fans about how this has worked for you so far in your activities, the daily living, the pain you came in here with?
Well, I came in after seeing a YouTube video, and at the time I had 3 or 4 bulged discs and herniated this or
Yep.
whatever it was, barely could walk. And believe it or not, actually the first visit I was 80% better. So I've been coming back and slowly improving over that 80% till I feel pretty good most days now.
Great.
So
Thank you
it's
for
been
sharing that
fantastic.
with us, and appreciate you doing the video.
Absolutely.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson at Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.